Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. We're going to dive into the fascinating world of fingerprint forensics in criminal investigations. We'll explore how fingerprint analysis plays a crucial role in solving crimes, the various methods used by experts, the challenges they face, and what the future holds for this field. It's an exciting area that combines science and detective work to bring justice, and I'm looking forward to sharing more with you. Fingerprints play a crucial role in criminal investigations because each person's prints are unique and remain unchanged throughout their lifetime. This individuality makes fingerprints incredibly powerful as evidence, allowing investigators to confidently connect a suspect to a crime scene. Around the world, law enforcement agencies depend on fingerprint analysis to accurately identify individuals and help solve crimes efficiently and reliably. Fingerprints are the distinct patterns formed by the ridges and valleys on the surfaces of our fingers. What makes fingerprints truly fascinating is their uniqueness. No two people have the exact same patterns, not even identical twins. This is because both our genetics and environmental influences during development shape these ridges in a way that creates a completely unique pattern for each individual. This uniqueness is what makes fingerprints such a reliable and trusted way to identify people, setting them apart as a dependable method in security, forensics, and personal identification. When collecting fingerprints at crime scenes, there are a few common methods we typically use. One is dusting surfaces with fingerprint powder to make the prints visible. Once the prints are visible, we lift them carefully using adhesive tape. More recently, digital scanners have become popular because they can capture prints with greater accuracy and detail. It's really important to collect these prints properly. The fine ridge details, those tiny lines and patterns, are what allow us to identify individuals accurately. If these details are lost or smudged, the print becomes less useful or even unusable. Finally, we have to handle the prints with great care. Any mishandling can damage or distort the print, which would compromise further analysis. So, preserving the integrity of the fingerprint from collection through examination is crucial to successful identification. When analyzing fingerprints, experts start by looking at the general pattern types, which are loops, whorls, and arches. These patterns help provide an initial classification, but the real detail comes from examining the ridge characteristics and minutiae points, those tiny features that make each fingerprint unique. To speed up this process, analysts use automated systems like AFIS, the Automated Fingerprint Identification System. This technology can rapidly search through vast databases to find potential matches. The biggest advantage of these tools is how they support experts in quickly and accurately identifying unknown prints by comparing them to known records, ultimately making the matching process both more efficient and reliable. Fingerprint evidence plays a crucial role in crime solving. When prints found at a crime scene match those of a suspect, it provides strong, compelling proof that the individual was indeed involved or present. This kind of match can be a key piece of evidence in building a case. On the other hand, fingerprint analysis is just as important for excluding people who are not involved. By ruling out individuals whose prints don't match, it helps prevent wrongful accusations and ensures that the investigation stays focused on the right suspects. This dual role makes fingerprint evidence invaluable in both confirming guilt and protecting innocent people. Fingerprinting really came into its own in the early 20th century, when several high-profile cases proved its value as a reliable forensic tool. These early successes helped establish fingerprints as a standard part of crime investigation. Over time, key historical milestones underscored just how vital fingerprint evidence is in solving crimes. And even today, fingerprints remain crucial. Modern investigations regularly depend on this method to identify suspects and crack complex cases. These ongoing successes remind us that fingerprint evidence continues to play an indispensable role in law enforcement worldwide. When it comes to fingerprint analysis, there are several challenges and limitations we need to consider. First, print quality issues can pose significant problems. Partial or smudged prints, poor surface conditions, or damage to the ridges can all make it difficult to conduct a reliable analysis. Then, there's a human factor. Errors can occur during interpretation or when matching prints against databases, which can impact results. On the technology side, current tools have their limits, and these can affect the accuracy of the analysis. However, there is good news. Ongoing improvements in training are helping analysts become more reliable in their work. Additionally, advancements in imaging technology and sophisticated software algorithms are continually enhancing the precision and effectiveness of fingerprint analysis. These developments are crucial for overcoming some of the challenges we face. As we look to the future of fingerprint forensics, emerging technologies like 3D fingerprint imaging and AI driven analysis are set to revolutionize the field. These advancements will provide even greater detail and improve the accuracy of matching prints. The main goal behind these innovations is to make the processing of fingerprints more efficient, while also minimizing errors that could impact investigations. Ultimately, these improvements will enhance our ability to solve crimes and ensure the justice system operates with stronger, more reliable evidence.